Hello Fiesta Ottawa, Susanna here. I'm putting up a pipe and drape frame as a backdrop so you don't get the busyness of the balloons to be able to feature the wood square arch frame or arbor or arch, whatever you want to call it. So one post is already up. Inside those square posts are pipe and drape poles, and you see that knockout at the top. That is where the top bar or the top bulk will sit in. So there's two blocks on that one, and they'll just drop into that little cavity. Easy to pop up, you don't need any tools. On this first one, I'm going to show you two 4-foot lengths end to end. So I'm going to have two pieces that I'm going to be tying to this bulkhead that sits on top. So they're going to, because that bulkhead is 8 feet, so I made two 4-foot pieces so you could put them end to end. You will see that you can use, of course, zip ties in your case, or some fish line to really wrap it tight around that bulkhead, which is fantastic. That top bar, you cannot staple, you cannot screw anything onto it. We need to keep the wood in as good a condition, of course, as possible. I've got some green balloon ribbon just for this demo to make it easy for me to tie those florals to that top bar. So you see, these are all plastic flowers. They are not high-end flowers. They look great for photos. They are not great really up close, but in pictures they're fantastic. I did them in plastic so that if it rained, we're not stressing ourselves out. I've put elastics on the end of these green drapes so it's easier to hang them over the bulkhead. Of course, if I was using this at a setup somewhere, I would have zip tie them at the top, but I need to do this quick just for the demo. You can see you can organize those drapes in multiple different ways. Now I take this one back down. I'm going to replace it with another one. It is 4 feet long, and I'm only going to put up one. I do have two of them, but I'm just going to put up one in this one, and this one's different because it has florals hanging down. These are the two pieces. And then as a close-up, that's what they look like end to end. You can of course use one as well. And this is a single of the second one that I showed you. Of course, you can put two of them together if you wanted, but there is a gap where there's no things hanging in the middle. Like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. And follow us on social media.